Hello and welcome to this new video. No? But now I'm gonna be discussing yung new development with RCDC. So yung inclusion ni NSCP 2015, no? With RCDC 10.0. So please take note na yours truly, no, together with the X-Structure engineering design team, so prepared all the necessary NSCP calculation, no, and we gave it to the RCDC development team, no, and then they put the NSCP 2015 yun, as local design code, no, na include kay RCDC 10.0. Ayun, so actually we even prepared this since last year pa no. So tapos ayun. So then ngayong February siya nag-release, no. Pero last year pa namin na i-prepare yung ganitong calculation and submitted to Bentley RCDC team. Then ayun na nga with the RC 10.0. So included na si NSCP 2015. Okay. So my name is Engineer John Paul De La Rosa. So I'm managing this company, X Structures. So we are a structural design consulting firm, no, and at the same time, so we are design software training center. So where we are authorized by Bentley and Autodesk, no. So yung aming certificate na ini-issue ay internationally acknowledged by by these two two software developers po, no, from Bentley and Autodesk, no. So for Bentley STAAD program, no, and other Bentley software, kung Autodesk naman, actually lahat po ng most of the Autodesk products po, so we are authorized to deliver training. And yung certificates naman namin na ini-issue ay coming from Bentley and also from Autodesk. Then so we are PRCCPD accredited provider. So dito po sa Pilipinas, and then we are Bentley software reseller. So if your company is looking for licensed software of STAAD Pro, RAM, or any Bentley software, so message nyo lang po yung aming Facebook page, and yun po. So we're gonna send you official code po. Ayan, so going back to the topic, no. So this is our sample model. Okay. So discuss lang natin ng kaunti, no. So three-story building, and ito yung kanyang loading. So reference load definition, then seismic definition, seismic parameters. So then meron tayong primary load cases, and then load combinations, no. So but our design load combo here ay yung 101 up to 126 lang, no. So yan. So kasi ibang load combos diyan ay for the foundation design, no, and other serviceability checks. Okay. So starting with STAAD for 22.0, so integrated na si RCDC, no, pumasok siya inside STAAD Pro, no, so para magkaroon ng direct link. So but you can still use naman yung standalone ni RCDC, standalone version ni RCDC, where you can open it from the desktop, then import mo yung STAAD model or ETABS model, no. So even if you use ETABS model with the RCDC also supports the NSCP 2015 design code, no. So si STAAD Pro, ETABS, and RAM structural system, no, so supported yan ni RCDC. Okay, so but on this video, so I'm gonna be only showing STAAD and RCDC integration. Okay, so I will click this, no, yung RCDC link. Ayan. Okay, so ito na siya, no. So NSCP 2015, and then for the project, so let's say it's a multi-purpose, no. Let's say multi-purpose building, no. And then the client, no. So I just put X Structures here, and then so I'll just put my initial here, no, but you can put yours naman, no. So if you're the one designing the structure. Then so beam design, no, so tapos so automatic yan, i-read ng program kung ano yung mga floor levels mo, no. So on this case, so i-design ko yung second floor, which is level 5.1 meter. And then so i-click ko na tong create new project. Ayan. Okay. So medyo malaki kasi yung yung model, ano, ayan. So then i-set ko lang yung primary load cases, no. Earthquake Z, no, ito naman ay dead load, live load, and then this one is roof live, no. Tapos dalhin ko siya dito sa right side. Click OK. And then so kunin ko lang yung load combination, no, from STAAD.Pro. And then, so click ko lang to no kasi baka mag-delete yung ibang load combo eh. No? So tapos, include ko lang tong load combo hanggang 1, 2, 6. No? And then, so i-uncheck ko itong other, yung remaining load combo, no? Unselect yan. So hanggang 1, 2, 6 lang, no? Yan. And then just click OK. Then, so iset ko na yung general reinforcement setting, no? So special moment frame tayo, no? Tapos, and as you can see here, so may mga lower grade FC prime na dito, no? So even up to 2,500 PSI meron, no? And 3,000 PSI. So meron din 4,000 PSI, no? C20. So automatic na yan. As long as you pick NSCP, ito yung kanyang mga default FC prime, no? So pero kung wala naman, pwede ka pa rin mag-add ng ibang other ng ibang ng different FC prime and FY as well. And as you can see here, no, so so automatic na rin yung mga lower grade FY, no, so which is default sa ating NSCP 2015, no. So si grade 33 which is 227, si grade 40 ay yung 276, and of course yung grade 60 si 414. Yan. So nandiyan na yan, no. So as long as you pick the NSCP. And then makikita nyo rin dito, no, so pati yung default rebar niya. Kasi pwede ka pang dito, right click tapos i-set mo siya sa rebar settings. Pero automatic na to, no. So pag pick mo ng NSCP, so ito na agad yung rebar setting natin. Okay, so then, so 16 mm and then 32. Oh. So tapos controlling ko lang to. Ayan, yung ating maximum shear reinforcing. Then I will click OK. Ayan, and then so ready na to, no? So bali design, then click auto design. Yan, yan. So tapos na, no? And then with that, so pwede mo nang i-produce yung beam schedule after this, no? So reports, and then text schedule, no? So let's say i-diretso ko na siya sa group beams, no, para automatic mag-group yung mga magkakamukhang beam detail, no? So then so ito na siya, no? Ito na yung schedule. And then so ito na yung ito yung framing plan, no? So ayan, actually ito may framing plan ka na automatic, no? So na-save mo na agad yung preparation ng yung preparation ng framing plan, no? So kasi automatic na siya kay RCDC. Ayun. And then i-produce lang natin yung design calculation, no? So let's say si B7 lang, no, para mabilis. Ayan. So then as you can see here, no, ito na siya, no, sa code reference. Ayan, so NSCP 2015. So itong mga clauses na to, isa-isa namin yan binalidate, no. Then ayan, so yan yung mga clauses na yan. Ayan, so kung nasaan itong PT Max, so pupuntahan mo lang sa NSCP clauses yan. Okay, so not only doon sa ordinary moment frame, no, but also yung provision doon sa chapter 18, no, sa chapter 418 ni NSCP related to special moment frame requirement. Ayan, so nandyan. Okay, and ito yung calculation. Ayan. Okay. And so lahat yan, we prepared it from beams to columns up to the foundation, even for the slab as well. Ayan. Okay. Then ayun, no. So then for the other functionality ng program, so you can check naman yung ibang videos namin, no, with this channel. So nandun, no? So kasi ang point naman ng video na to is to show you the enhancement lang, no, so which is yung related dun sa addition ng NSCP. So after this beam design, no, so pakita ko lang saglit yung pag-column design naman, no. Ayan. So then with the slab design and foundation design, so almost pareho lang, no. So meron kaming video tutorial diyan, no, so on this YouTube channel, so hanapin niyo lang. Okay. So I'm gonna close this, no. So save ko lang, then magko-column design na. Magko-column design na tayo. Okay, so babalik siya kay stud model, and then so advanced concrete design uli. Okay, so i-set ko lang uli siya NSCP 2015, ano. So tapos this is multi-purpose. Oops, ayan pala. Okay, purpose building, no. Ayan. And then so client structures, then I just put my initial here. Then so column design tayo, no? And so then just click create new project. Yan. Okay, so ganun pa rin, isa-set natin yung primary load cases, no? So earthquake X, earthquake Z, so dead load ito ay live load, no? Ito ay roof live load. Okay, so dali natin yan sa kanan. Click OK, add from analysis. Okay, then just click no here, no? So tapos hanggang load 1 to 6 tayo, no? Select and then so remove the other or unselect the other load combo, no? And then click OK. Then set natin yung design settings, no? So special moment frame ito. Then i-uncheck ko tong optimize design, no? So para isang lang, no, isang rebar lang yung gagamitin natin sa isang section, no? So but if you check this, the program can design yung section na may multiple rebar diameter, let's say combination ng diameter 20 with a 25, no, or 32 and 25, no. So pag in-check ko lang ito, so magse-set lang yung rebar design into single rebar, no. Then let me double check the material list here, ano. So eto na. So so nandoon na yung yung ating localizes, kumbaga yung FC prime natin, no, na mostly used here, no, in the Philippines, as well as yung FY, even the lower grade FY, so nandito. So wala na tayong i-add dito, no. So I'll just click cancel here. Then click ko na to okay. Then copyahin natin to. And then paste. And also here, no. So paste natin. Then set natin yung reinforcement settings, no. So minimum na rebar natin gagamitin ay let's say 20, no. And maximum 32. Yan. So mamimili lang yung program diyan. Then set natin yung link spacing, no, yung tie spacing maximum 150, no. Yan, so then 100 yung minimum. And then for the longitudinal, no, bar spacing, set natin siya maximum 150. At ito tie spacing din ito, no. Yan, so 150. Yan. Now click OK. I think iset pa natin 'to, no? Wala naman tayong shear wall, eh. So kaya no bearing ito, no? Ayan, so just click OK. Then so design na natin, no? Auto design. Ayan, okay. So then ito na, no? So nag-design na siya, and makikita mo rin dito, no? So meron kasi dito mga columns na mas malaki pa yung rebar dun sa itaas, no? So kumpara dun sa ilalim. No, so ayan, no? So actually okay, ano naman ito, no? So ganito talaga yung magiging design niya, since on this case, so malaki yung moment dito, no? So kumbaga higher moment and smaller actual force, no? So kaya nagiging ganito yung design niya, no? So nagiging mas malaki yung rebar. Ngayon, kung hindi siya magiging uniform, so pwede mo namang kopyahin itong rebar na to, no, papunta sa ibaba, since ito lang naman ang inyong minimum requirement, no? So let's say, so kopyahin ko to, let's say copy reinforcement, so tapos paste ko dito, no? Yan, paste reinforcement. So lahat siya magiging ano na, no, 16 diameter 25. So ganun lang din yung gagawin ko with other column, no? Then paste reinforcement. So pero better yata i-group ko muna to, no? Auto group columns muna natin, no? So tsaka tayo para mag-narrow down yung ano, yung number of columns, tapos tsaka natin siya i-copy and paste yung reinforcement. Ayan, okay? Paste reinforcement. So ito ganun din to, no? I think makakabuo pa tayo ng isa pang ano dito, isa pang grouping, no, pag nagre-run tayo ng auto group. So paste reinforcement, ito rin ano. So copy, paste reinforcement, and then also this one. And so paste reinforcement, ito rin ano. Copy and then paste reinforcement, and also this one. Okay. Paste natin yan. Ayan. O then i-rerun lang natin yung group, no? So makakabuo pa tayo dyan ng groups. Auto group columns, then click OK. Ayan, so nag-narrow down na siya, no, yung grouping. So I think now ito. So ulitin ko lang to, no? Copy reinforcement, and then paste natin dito. Yan. Magkakaroon ba siya ng kamukha? Wala na, eh, no? So yan. Okay na to, no? And then ito 25, 32, 32. Yan, okay naman. Hindi, 20, 32, 25. Okay. So then after this, so i-produce na natin yung detailed drawing, no? So which is the column schedule. And then so ito na, no? Yan. Ito yung ating column schedule. Ayan. And then of course the calculation, no, reports, and then design calculation, no. Ito na lang kasi masyado madami kasi, no. So just to show the NSCP design codes here, no. So printed, ito na siya, no. So NSCP 2015, no, and ito yung mga code reference, no, related to NSCP, no. Ayan. Chapter 4, no. Okay. And also included of course yung yung seismic provision, no, NSCP. And then bill of quantities, ano, so makikita mo dito may peso na rin, no. So this is included on preparation ng development, kasi dati dollars lang yung pinakamalapit, no. So ngayon may peso na, no. So let's say peso yan, so let's say ang concrete ay let's say 5,000 pesos, no, and per cubic meter, and 60 pesos let's say yung steel, no. Then so i-click lang natin yan, and then so click OK. And then that's it, no. Ayan. So may total ano dito, ayan, cost, no, in peso, no. Ayan. Okay, and that's it, no. So for other functionality ng program, no, puntahan nyo lang yung may video dito, no, on this sa channel na to. So ayun, so may mga other like functionality pa yung program na hindi ko na ipapakita since NSCP 2015 edition lang naman yung point nung nung video. Okay, so again, so thanks for watching, and see you for more videos.